What if your Bangkok stay could feel like a secret escape above the city? Join us on the 21st floor where comfort meets luxury at the Berkeley Hotel Pratunam. And yes, there was even halal and vegan breakfast options that really surprised us. So stay tuned for more hidden gems from the Berkeley Hotel in Pratunam. Before we unpacked, we had to check out the rooftop pool, which was our oasis above Bangkok. This is the main pool of the hotel, and it really made for a really wonderful part of our holiday, and it allowed us to rest in between all the shopping and sightseeing that we did throughout our stay. Remember, Pratunam is really a shopper's paradise, and the hotel is very central to all amenities across Bangkok. Once the temperatures cooled down, it was much better to swim at sunset, and we really enjoyed the views and the refreshing pool water. The feeling of being surrounded by such amazing buildings and lighting was really stunning. There was a second pool at the North Tower, but we didn't get a chance to view it. And to actually get to the North Tower, one needed to jump off at the 11th floor from the main tower and then take the walkway, but luckily we were staying in the main tower, so we just needed to go up to floor number 21. The room itself had a lovely bathroom which was quite well maintained and very clean. There was both a shower facility along with the bathtub, and the basin itself only had cold water, but it was not an issue. The room also had a really lovely tea making facility, as well as a very spacious king size bed. There was lots of lighting in the room that made it very nice and warm. The hotel staff also created a anniversary decoration for us, which was really cute. And obviously look at the lovely stunning views that we had of CentralWorld and the R Walk. Absolutely beautiful views, and at night the view was even more stunning. You literally felt like you were in the center part of Bangkok, and it really was such an amazing sight to fall asleep to. Breakfast was on the 10th floor, and it was served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. daily. Even though we visited during the peak period for visiting Bangkok, the restaurants were still busy, but it was very manageable. There was always space and tables to sit at. There was a halal station along with a vegetarian station. It really helped us a lot. But I mean, the spread for everybody was really well accommodated. Lots of variety each day, and I think we really had a very solid breakfast each day that set us up to explore the sights and sounds of Bangkok really nicely. And even with our little one, we were able to get a lot of food that he was able to eat, so that helped a lot. And I think a lot of the guests were quite well behaved. So really nicely catered for breakfast, and one that I felt was really befitting of this hotel's stature. The waiting staff were really brilliant during our stay, and they really helped us with the baby feeding chair, and they were very accommodating with getting us some coffees and hot drinks, especially since we were occupied feeding our little one, but really impressed with everything. One of the main reasons we chose this hotel is because of its central location. There's the R Walk, which is above the city traffic, which links you to all the different malls and shopping centers, as well as the BTS SkyTrain. So as you can see at night, it really is such a lovely, busy, vibey area of Bangkok. So it's very close to the hotel, it's literally across the hotel. Then you do have the Erawan Shrine, as well as the Quezon Amarun shopping center with the fancy Louis Vuitton cafe. There's also the Pratunam markets, which are busy throughout the day and evening. Palladium Mall is also across the hotel and was one of the best places we had to shop. Big C supermarket, a real must visit. once you're in Bangkok, especially since it's a 5-minute walk from the Berkeley Hotel. We really found a lot of souvenirs and everything to take home from there. And yeah, I mean, in terms of walkability, very easy with the crossings, and there's always some traffic officers at times to assist when the traffic is really crazy, which is almost all the time, but it's really very easy to cross. We had to do it with a stroller, so overall we really enjoyed our time there. I think you really feel the buzz and energy of Bangkok, especially in this area, and seeing a lot of people crossing the robot with you really made it a fun episode. So we would definitely love to return here. It's truly a 5-star hotel. The ease of access to everything. There's also a 7-Eleven, especially in this underneath the hotel, where there's also a KFC, McDonald's, etc., and the Palladium Mall, which the hotel connects to directly. Once again, as you can see, it's fairly central, and we would definitely love to return there in future. There's also a very lively night market outside the hotel that's open from 5 p.m. to 12 at midnight each night, with a variety of stalls. So please continue to watch and like, subscribe and share our videos, and we hope to see you in the next few videos. Thank you so much.